for apple. Apple is a fruit. It is sweet, juicy, and very healthy. Apples help us stay strong. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Pear is a fruit. It is soft, sweet, and juicy. It is very tasty and good for our health. Many people like to eat pears. Kiwi is a fruit. It is small, round, and brown outside. It is sweet and a little sour. Kiwi is very healthy and good for our body. Cherry is a fruit. It is small, round, and red. It is sweet and very tasty. Many people love cherries. It is also good for our health. Watermelon is a fruit. It is big, juicy, and very refreshing. It is sweet and perfect for summer. It helps us stay cool and healthy. Strawberry is a fruit. It is red, sweet, and very tasty. Many kids love strawberries. It is also good for our health. Mango is a fruit. It is sweet, juicy, and very delicious. Many people love to eat mango. It is very healthy and tasty. Pineapple is a fruit. It is sweet, juicy, and a little sour. It is very tasty and good for our health. Pineapple is a tropical fruit. Orange is a fruit. It is juicy and rich in vitamin C. It helps us stay healthy and strong. Orange is sweet and tasty. Banana is a fruit. It is yellow, soft, and sweet. It gives us energy and keeps us healthy. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana.